Dear friends, welcome to my video. In this video, I'll show you how to customize the display icon of your Android app. So let's begin. I will not use any kind of implementation of functionality. I'll just focus on the display icon or just icon. So I'll just name this app as probably display icon, and it's just a very one small settings which you have to do. I'll just show you quickly. Let the ID load up. Once the ID loads up, uh, this kind of window will come up. In this, you have to do a very small thing. You have to go to your manifest file, and what you can see over here, this particular line number 9, is responsible for the icon, the image on the icon what is displayed here. So this comes from the resource folder in the MIP map folder. So whatever the icons are there, the default icons which the Android provides, those are the options come. So if I just yeah, so these are the two options by default we have, but we will try to customize it. So say for example, I already downloaded an image, so I will be using this one. I'll just copy this and bring it over here and probably paste it. So yeah, I'll paste in this particular, I'll keep the name as it is. So and then I will just use this world, and I can probably remove the other one. That's it. So if I know, try to build this app in an emulator to see what kind of icon comes. Or probably I'll toggle between the default one also. After since I've changed now, I'll keep it like this, and I'll toggle and see how the icon changes. So let the app come up on the emulator. So once the app comes up, of course, it's just a empty app. We have not done anything, and we have left the layout also the default layout. So whatever it is, the default is showing up, but we don't have to worry much about the layout or whatever it has come. We have to see the icon, the display icon. So if I bring it up, so this is the app. I think what the name we have given, display icon. I can probably do one thing. I can bring this also in the uh, home page, this particular app. Yeah, so I'll bring it probably over here. So if you can see, the icon has changed, or the icon is same as what we have in this custom image. Also what we can do is we can revert and see if you don't use the if you don't modify line number 9, if we keep the original one, what happens. So if I just go back to the previous one and rebuild the app and see what it happens. So on rebuilding, the app has of course come up. I'll just minimize this, and you can see the icon has changed. So this is the simple way I just wanted to show you. One thing you have to note is, although this MIP map here, you can directly paste, but if you are trying to access the folders in this resource in your file system, you have to be very careful in which folder it should be referred to. So what I'll do is I'll just change it back to the world, the new one, and rebuild it so that it changes to the new image, and then I'll close this video. See if I can. And also you can see, when you go to this selection of the apps which are running, this icon also changes, because this icons is the same, or it derives its icon same from this particular line. And just you can minimize and see this icon has changed over here. So that's all I wanted to show in this short video. I hope this is useful to you, and if you have any questions or suggestions, please put in the comment section. And if you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel. Thank you and bye.